everyone, and welcome back to another healthy keto eating show. And this one's going to bring you back to childhood. If you were born in the 70s or in your 40s, you're going to remember this. I have recreated cocoa wheats keto style. That's right. Do you remember the cocoa wheats can't be beat. It's the only hot cereal with the cocoa treat. If you remember that and you were born in the 70s, you remember how much we loved cocoa wheats or cream of wheat? Well, I have recreated cocoa wheats and I got peanut butter toast on the side. It's like I'm a kid again, but yet it's all keto. I can't believe this. This is the one I was telling you guys that I was going to recreate and hope that it would turn out, and also wanted to do the theme song with it. So, like I said, if you were born in that era, then you will remember cocoa wheats. And of course, they still have, to this day, they still have cocoa wheats. Of course, they don't do that commercial anymore, but I got it right here and I got it perfect, you guys. What it is, of course, you're going to see a slideshow at the end, so you'll know how to make it. But I always like to tell you, and I'll list it down in my box to make it easy for you. This was Quest protein powder, the chocolate. I have used 1 of the scoops. I have used 1.5 cups of vanilla unsweetened almond milk and 3 tablespoons of flaxseed. This is just 1 serving that I'm doing here. Now, I added the flax to give it that graininess, and of course, flax is so good for you, and that would give it that texture like cocoa wheats. And I just put it on the stove on medium, and I heated it up, and I kept stirring it, and then I added a pat of butter on top and a little bit of stevia, but I did the squirt stevia. So total carb count here with the bread, with the peanut butter, everything I got here, because the Quest is 3 carb, 3 fiber, so no carb there. The almond milk would have like a carb and a half, and then the stevia has nothing, the butter has nothing, and then the flax has 4 and 4, I believe it is, so there's nothing there, again, if you're counting net carb, okay? And then the bread itself has, I think, 2 carbs, 1.5 or 2 carbs, and then the peanut butter would be for 2 tablespoons. I've used 1 tablespoon, and so it would be 1 carb. So I'm figuring I have about 4 carbs here. It's probably even less, but we're gonna say 4 just to play it safe. But I've only done 1 serving here, and oh my gosh, I am so excited. It smells just like it, and I've already tasted it just to make sure, because I did not want to have a flop here. Make a video, sit down and taste it and throw up. I wasn't sure if it was gonna turn out, so of course I had to, taste test and everything. But oh my gosh, you guys, it is cocoa wheats. Cocoa wheats, you guys. Look, it even looks like cocoa wheats. See that with the graininess there? It is cocoa wheats. I imagine you could do this same one with the Quest protein powder. That is one that's not flavored. You could do the cream of wheat then and add the stevia in it and the butter to sweeten it and all that. So you could also do cream of wheat. I'm going to definitely try that one out when I find a Quest. I have thought the Quest that it's just a no flavor. It's for baking. So I imagine you could use that one and do the same thing and make the cream of wheat. But I wanted cocoa wheats. And if you really wanted to too, you could add in some peanut butter in there. So you have chocolate Reese's peanut butter cocoa wheats. But because I have the peanut butter toast, I wasn't going to add both. I just wanted that taste from when I was a child. And it's identical, you guys. It's unbelievable. And then I got my peanut butter toast. This was the 1 serving of that 90-second bread. I will list it down again how to make it, but it is the 90-second bread. And then I popped it in a pan after I cooked it in the microwave. I cut it in half, and then I popped it in a pan with just a tiny little bit of butter and flipped it a few times just to get it toasted up more like toast. And then, of course, I'm just drinking water. I have egg fasted for so long. I have lost 15 pounds. I'm just taking a couple days off. I still have 3 pounds to go to get to my first big goal at 135. I do want to eventually one day hit 128, my ultimate goal, which would be the best weight for me. But I have 3 pounds to go. I was at 152, you guys, and I'm at 137. I'm just like blown away. And I did this in 8 days of egg fasting, took 2 days off, did 1 meal, and then went back for like 3 or 4 more days, and I've lost a total of 15 pounds. So I took a night off so I could do a couple of recipe mukbangs for you guys, or healthy keto eating show for you guys. So yeah, I got a good one today, you see, and I got another one tomorrow for you. Let's eat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is total cocoa wheats, you guys. Oh my God, I cannot believe it tastes just like it. Yum. And like I said, because I added that flaxseed, it gave it that greeniness. You know what I'm talking about with the cocoa wheats? Oh, yum. I wish you guys were here to taste this, but you definitely got to try it. You can go out and buy the single packs of the protein powder, and then you would just use one pack, or you can buy the container. I bought a container of it so that I can make up just, you know, different recipes, because I love the Quest protein because it is the best one for keto, and it also is for baking. The other ones aren't for baking, they're just to make a shake, but the Quest you can actually make bake things with it, make different things, you know, a mug cake in the microwave. You can make frosting with it with almond milk. It's just, or like vanilla creamer. You can actually make a frosting with it and everything. And of course, when you do that, you're adding just a tiny bit of liquid, and it thickens it and makes a frosting. So, yum. Peanut butter toast and cocoa wheats. Feels like I'm a kid again. And that taste with the peanut butter, it's got that Reese's taste. So I'm basically eating breakfast for dinner, but breakfast is breaking your fast. I'm breaking my fast right now. I am still only doing 1 meal, but got a lot of good protein here because of the protein powder and then the peanut butter. There's, I think, a little bit in the flax and in some of the bread. Oh my God, you guys, this is fantastic. I wish I could put this through my camera right now and let you guys all taste it. It's unbelievable. Now just watch it good when you put it in a pan. Do it on medium, and then you want to put it on simmer for a little bit and just keep mixing it till it thickens up more and it gets those pieces like cocoa wheats, you know, like the thickness of it. Now, cocoa wheats isn't real thick. Some people like it thicker, some people like it thinner. If you remember as a kid, sometimes my mom would make it thicker. Sometimes it would be more watery. I like it kind of just right in between. Oh my God, this is, I feel spoiled right now, you guys. Oh my God. Who would have ever thought we could have cocoa wheats? I'm telling you guys, there isn't anything you can't turn into keto. I have totally, right here, recreated cocoa wheats as a child with peanut butter toast, all keto style. You can make this for your kids. They're going to totally eat it, and it's 4 carbs. So much better for them. Yum. Oh my God, it's so good. Now, it is very, very close. Like I keep saying, identical. Little tiny bit of a difference. Of course, you're always going to be a little bit different because it's not cocoa wheats. It is recreated cocoa wheats, but it is so close. So close. It actually scares me because it makes me feel like I'm eating real cocoa wheats. And we know we can't have that. Yum. Who would have thought how many things you can do with protein powder? But again, this is the one you can bake with. Let me know down below how many of you are in that era and remember cocoa wheats as a kid. My mom used to sing it to us too. She'd be making cocoa wheats, singing it to us at the kitchen sink. Do you remember that commercial? Yum. Wow, this is filling too. Very filling because of the protein. And the flax in it. Wow, that's good. I was nervous about this one, but it just like, it hit me one day because my brother took the protein powder one day and mixed it in a bullet, mixed it with the eggs, poured it into a pan and just started like stirring it around, almost like scrambled eggs. And I tasted it and I'm like, God, that tastes like cocoa wheats, but like chunks of it. So I thought, I bet you I could do that with almond flour and flaxseed and actually make cocoa wheats. I've been waiting to make this. That's so good. I love that graininess because it does taste like the pieces of cocoa beets. Yum. But it's making me so full. So this might have been 2 servings. Could have been, because that's very filling. That's okay, whatever I don't finish. My husband will. He's gone right now, so I didn't even make him any. I know my nephew wanted to try this. So I'll be able to save him some because I'm getting full. Won't be a real long video tonight. But that's... Sorry, you got a phone call. Always happens when I'm doing a mukbang. I got to remember to shut my notifications off while I'm doing these videos. Oh my God, this is so filling. Holy crap. I am so full. I am not going to be able to finish that. Maybe somebody else can finish a whole bowl. Maybe a guy could, but my bowl, if you remember when I first started, was filled up to here, so I ate more than half. But with that bread, I'm so full. Holy crap. I mean, when you're working with pure protein, you're going to fill it fast. There wouldn't be too much fat because I would have used a pat of butter here and a pat of butter here. And then it's 1 egg to make that bread. And then the cocoa wheats, the protein powder, that hardly has any fat at all. I think 1 gram of fat maybe. So, or it's 0, I can't remember. So this would be a very low fat meal that you'd be able to have. And you know, don't even have to add the butter if you don't want to, but it was literally, I think between the two, it wasn't even a full pat of butter. I think it was like, sorry, a half here and a half on the bread. So regardless, you know, just to make it, just so that I could coat the pan a little bit. So really it was probably just 1 full pat of butter. I'm saying 2, but I forgot I did the 2, but I split that in half and did half here and half to cook the bread. So 1 pat of butter. And it's 1 meal for me, so I ain't gonna hurt nothing. Wow, you guys. I can't believe I got my Cocoa Eats can't be beat. It's the only hot cereal that now is keto approved. Awesome. And then my peanut butter toast. Wow. Now that one night that I tried the peanut butter, that was the only time I had had it. This is my 2nd time. And again, I only did 1 tablespoon, even though the serving is 2. I don't need tons of peanut butter. It was perfect. Absolutely perfect, just like that. And I loved it. Cocoa Eats and peanut butter toast. You can't beat that. Definitely give this one a try. Like I said, I am just so full. I mean, when you do that egg fast, your stomach really does shrink, really does. So somebody else probably could have finished all of this, but when you're egg fasting, I have a hard time consuming calories and stuff, like, you know, getting it back up there. You got to slowly do it because your body really just, your stomach shrinks so much, and it's just been amazing for me. I mean, 15 pounds, that's amazing. So today and tomorrow I'm taking off the egg fast, and then I'm going to egg fast again starting on Monday. And I'm going to egg fast just till I lose that last 3 pounds that I need to lose to get to 135. I'm eventually going to hit the 120s, but I'm going to get off the egg fast just for a little bit after that and just do my OMAD, and that way I can still share meals with you guys because I don't want you guys, you know, missing out on videos because I'm egg fasting every day. But I'll be very happy when I hit that 135 because I had only seen 135 once in my life. So I really want to see it again and actually, you know, maintain there. And I probably could lose even more just doing what I'm going to do. But of course, the egg fasting is going to come off a lot faster. But I'm going to take a little bit of a break off once I hit 135 and just do some videos for you guys, some different recipes for keto so I can send out different stuff for you guys. And then eventually I'm going to get back on the egg fast again for about a week to get to that ultimate goal. And I know I'll get there. But, you know, at 135, if I never lose another pound after that, I'm satisfied at that. That puts me at a 23 BMI. So I will be very happy at that, and No concerns at all. Like I said, I've been at 135. I always was ranging between 135 and like 145. But now I really want to see that 135 and not go past 140. I want to stay in between there or lower. So, and I know I will get there. I know I will, and I know I will maintain there. I'll slowly start increasing calories in my 1 meal a day and be maintenancing for a while. And then when I want to finally say, hey, I'm going to try really hard to hit the 120s, then I'm going to egg fast again. And who knows? Maybe if I go past and lose past the 135, maybe I get to 134, 133, I probably will keep egg fasting then. And then I'll just make other keto videos for you guys, because I don't always have to do the recipe videos. I can do all kinds of informational keto videos for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Brings you back to being a child, especially if you were born in the 70s. You'll remember Coco Eats as a child. So definitely give this one a try with that 90-second bread with the peanut butter on it. It was delicious. Or just don't even do the bread, because this was filling, and just have this and add in a scoop of peanut butter to make it a Reese's peanut butter Coco Eats. That would be delicious. So if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Share around my channel so I can grow and help many more get healthy. Definitely hit the notification bell so you're notified of all my videos so you don't miss nothing, because I do lives and I do all these recipe videos and teach so much keto. And definitely for me, if you could just shoot me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. That's all I'm asking for, is just a thumbs up. Pretty simple, and I'll keep throwing you guys keto information and keto videos. I love you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. And always remember, everybody, to keep it keto.